Hello, dear students. Hope you all are doing fine. Welcome back to the digital class of English. Today I will teach you lesson 5, the weather. So before proceeding further, I have a few questions for you. So are you ready to give answers of these questions? Okay, so let's start. Okay, students, look outside. What type of weather is today? Yes, you are right. Today the weather is hot. So we can say that today is a hot day. Why the day is hot? Because the sun is shining brightly in the sky and temperature is very high. Now my next question is, what words do people use when they talk about the weather? Yes, students, think and speak. Oh, your answer might be cold, rainy, windy, snowy, hot, sunny, etc. Okay, students, now tell me, what types of clothes would you like to wear in hot weather? Oh, your answer might be frocks, t-shirts, shorts, etc. Okay, and what types of clothes would you like to wear in cold weather? Yes, your answer might be sweaters, jackets, coat, etc. Okay, students, so do you want to know more about the weather? Oh, I know your answer will be yes. So let's move to the lesson 5, the weather. So dear students, open your English book lesson 5, the weather. What is the weather? When people say it is hot, cold, windy or sunny, they are talking about the weather. So when the people say that today's weather is hot, so it means the temperature is very high. When we say the weather is cold, cold means the temperature is very low. What is the meaning of windy weather? It means the wind blows very hard. Now the sunny weather. Sunny weather means the sun shines brightly in the sky and no clouds are there. In a sunny weather, the day can be hot or cold. So we are using these words hot, cold, windy or sunny when we are talking about the weather. Look here, when the sun shines brightly, it is hot. We wear light clothes to keep ourselves cool. So here brightly means reflects much light. So it means when the sun reflects much light in the sky, that time the temperature is too high. So we can say that it is hot. So in the hot weather, people like to wear the light clothes because it keeps us cool and people like to eat ice creams and cold drinks. So students, look here the next line. Sometimes there is a chilly wind that makes us shiver. We have to wear warm clothes so that we don't feel cold. So students, here the meaning of chilly. Chilly means very cold and the shiver means shake slightly because you feel cold. So it means the very cold wind shakes our body slightly because we feel cold. And in the cold weather we have to wear warm clothes because it keeps us warm and like to drink hot coffee and tea. So students, come here and look here the next line. Then there are times when dark clouds gather in the sky. Rain pours down and the wind blows hard. We have to wear raincoats or carry umbrellas when we go outside. So student, here the meaning of gather is come together and the pours means fall heavily. So then there are times when dark clouds come together in the sky, rain falls down very heavily and the wind blows very hard. That time we have to wear raincoats or carry umbrellas when we go outside because raincoats and umbrellas protect us from the rain. So students, look here. Animals, birds and insects also behave differently according to the weather. Small insects such as butterflies and dragonflies take shelter under leaves when it rains. So students, hear the meaning of shelter. Shelter means a place where you can stay to protect yourself. It means small insects such as butterflies and dragonflies don't like rain and they take shelter under leaves when it rains. Because of raindrops, some insects get hurt and some can be died. Insects cannot fly in the rain and the rain can damage their wings also. They hide under the tree leaves to keep themselves dry and using leaves in the same way humans use umbrellas. Okay, dear students, which weather do you like the most? Your answer might be sunny, cold, rainy, etc. So, similarly, here the animals also like the weather according to their nature. So, look here frogs, earthworms, rhinos, and elephants love the rain. Giraffes and camels like sunny weather. Polar bears and seals are happiest in the snowy weather. So, students, the weather is not the same all around the world. On the same day, it may be sunny and bright in the Mumbai, cloudy in Paris, and snowy in New York. So, students, it means that different places in the world have different weathers. Like in Ludhiana, we have hot weather. Then maybe in same time there is rainy weather in the Jalandhar. Now, students, do you know who is weatherman? Oh, you don't know? Wait, I will tell you. The weatherman is a person who tells us on radio or television what the weather will be like in the next few days and also tell us about the reason behind the changes in weather. So, dear students, I hope you all understood the lesson properly. So, dear students, you will read this lesson at home with your parents. Till then, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.